Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to download and login in Digital Campus. First open App Store or Play Store. In search bar type in DC Parent and hit on Enter. Look for this logo for Digital Campus Parent app. And install. Once done installing, hit on Open. Our school code is EIAMK. Login using the credentials that we have provided. Tap in the name of your child. Scroll down until you see the progress card. Tap on the progress card. Select the term you want to view the report card of your child. And now you will be able to view the report card of your child. If your child have a sibling, go back to main page. Swipe to the left. Follow the same steps. That's it, on how to view the report card of your child in Digital Campus. Thank you.